This right here is the Makita DUH523 cordless 18 volt LXT hedge trimmer. I'm joined by James.
Hi there.
Now, James, I'm looking at this and also I've read the script. So even though you're holding this, I know that this is a lovely lightweight tool.
Only 3.3 kilograms, don't you know, Dan?
Oh, we've read the script. Now, I love the benefits with this. You know, obviously, you know, if you're already running with a petrol or a corded machine, there are benefits to having your own cordless machine, especially if you've already got the 18 volt batteries.
Absolutely.
You know, it's easy to maintain, isn't it?
Yeah, very easy to maintain. The only thing you have to worry about maintenance-wise is the bar. 520 centimetre bar, easily changeable. Just take the housing off, one nut, bar's replaced. That's it. That's your maintenance.
That's lovely stuff. And if I can just kind of have a hold of that,
yeah, absolutely.
That's all right. I've been trusted with the weapons today. No, it's nice and lightweight, and you've got a nice, comfortable rubber grip there as well.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, ergonomic grip. Also, a couple of extra features there. We have anti-vibration technology in there, looking out for the user, as well as it is lightweight, so it's less fatigue. We've reduced the fatigue even more with anti-vibration technology. That's
lovely stuff. Thank you very much, James, for joining us. If you are looking to make the jump from petrol or corded over to cordless, you know, just slap your 18 volt battery in the bottom of these tools. Lovely stuff. Check it all out, make the switch, get yourself a Makita DUH523 over at itf.co.uk.